If you feel hesitant, you have that hesitation when you speak in English in front of others, then I have a good news for you. You are not the only one here. हर किसी को hesitation होती है. लेकिन क्या आपने कभी जानने की कोशिश की कि what are the reason behind this? Why do we feel hesitant and how we can overcome this? If no, then do not worry. Watch this video till end, because in this video I will tell you the reason behind the hesitation and how we can deal with this. But before that, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, because it really boosts my confidence to make such informative videos for you. Guys, चलो अब कुछ reasons के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं कि आखिर हमें hesitation क्यों होती है. So the first reason is lack of knowledge. Guys, whenever we have a conversation with someone, obviously we talk on a topic that time, and if we do not have sufficient knowledge about that topic, अगर हमारे पास उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो है sufficient जानकारी ना हो, then it's obvious that we will get stuck. For example, if आप लोग हिंदी में किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं, अपनी मदर टंग में अगर आप किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं और आपको किसी टॉपिक के बारे में जो है जानकारी नहीं है, तो उस टाइम भी हम लोग जो है अटक जाते हैं. हमें हिंदी में भी जो है हेजिटेशन होती है कॉन्वर्सेशन करते टाइम. सो द सेम थिंग गोज विद इंग्लिश ऑल्सो. व्हेन वी टॉक विद समवन, दैट टाइम वी गेट स्टक. Okay, so I think this is the main cause of hesitation. So friends, the second reason is self-doubt. Sometimes when the topic on which we are having conversation with other person, we have sufficient knowledge about that topic, but still we feel hesitant. Because हम लोग जो है खुद के ही ऊपर शक करते हैं उस टाइम की मे बी उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे पास है शायद वो गलत हो. And we do not want to speak that because we have the fear that people will judge us if we will speak, and what if the information will be wrong? They all will laugh at us, they will judge us. So self doubt की वजह से भी जो है हमें hesitation होती है, हम speak नहीं कर पाते हैं. Guys, the third reason is lack of speaking skills. Sometimes the topic on which we are having conversation, we have sufficient knowledge about that, and we are fully confident that the information is correct. We do not have self doubt, but still we have hesitation because we do not have the speaking skills. So friends, these were the three reasons why we feel hesitant. Friends, now let's talk about the solution, that how we can overcome hesitation. So guys, the only way to get rid of your hesitation is practice, practice and practice, because practice makes a man perfect and women too. So practice to speak English every day. The more you practice, the more you become confident and you get rid of your hesitation. So guys, for practice we need a partner. So you can choose a partner. You can either talk with your friend, with your brother or with your sister, or you can just speak in front of mirror. But now many people say that what topic should we speak on? ये जो है बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है लोगों के लिए कि किस टॉपिक पे आखिर बात की जाए. सो गाइज, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, इफ योर मदर टंग इज हिंदी, तो आप हिंदी में जो है डेली लाइफ में अपने दोस्तों के साथ में, अपने भाई बहनों के साथ में, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ में, या फिर फोन पे रिलेटिव्स के साथ में कैसी कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर या फिर नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन. ऑब्वियसली समटाइम्स यू टॉक ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम you just have a normal conversation. You just use daily life sentences. So you speak all those sentences, all those words in Hindi. So try to speak all those things in English. It's not a big deal. You do not need a particular topic for having a conversation with anyone. So guys, what are your day-to-day life sentence? Like मुझे मार्केट जाना है, मेरा फोन चार्ज पे लगा दो, पानी भर दो, मुझे भूख लगी है, मुझे सोना है. Just translate all these things in English. You speak these things in your mother tongue, but try to speak all these things in English. So guys, the more you will speak, the more you will see that you are getting rid of your hesitation. In the starting, you will feel a bit nervous, you will feel hesitant. But with time, you will see that you are getting rid of your hesitation and you are becoming more confident, you are becoming more fluent in English. So guys, one more thing you can do here is try to gather information. Okay, so if you have knowledge about anything, try to explain those things, try to make other people understand about that topic. Like you can explain those things to your friends or your younger sibling or your elder sibling. So try to make other people understand whatever your thoughts, whatever you understand. Okay, so by this you will get rid of your hesitation, you will build your speaking skills. Okay, so guys, one more thing here is try to gather information. If we have lack of knowledge, obviously we will feel hesitant while speaking. So try to gather information. You can read newspaper, you can read good books, and you can watch informative videos on YouTube. So try to collect information, because the more you will collect the information, the more your knowledge will increase, and you will be able to speak in a good way. You will be able to have an effective communication with others. So if you will have knowledge, you will definitely not feel hesitant. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. अगर आप लोगों को इस वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखने को मिला है, कुछ भी आपको टिप्स अच्छे लगे इस वीडियो के, then make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And share this video with your family members, with your friends, and with all the people whom you know who are in need. So guys, we will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.